Here is our video on how to successfully open and close your Vendi lock. Press the key button in the middle, enter your 9-digit code, ensuring you only hear one beep per number. Press the lock and the lock opens. Pull it from the top, access the key, and you're on your way. You may close the lock while you're driving, and we recommend that you do so. The green light will acknowledge that it's turned off. At the end of your hire, you wake the lock up, enter your code in carefully again, press lock, open gently, put the key back in and close. Wait for the green light to ensure that you've finished your hire. If you have any other problems, please refer to our FAQs on the website and have a great game.